I was thinking about birds, just about birds. And I was thinking, whoever thought of feathers must have been a bird. Think how quick they are. It's more than just absurd, you flittering and fluttering there, high up, midair, or perched with wary eye, watching out for cats. Wonder if you sometimes wonder, is someone watching me? Some peeping tomcat down below with hypnotizing eye. Please be careful, little bird. You're much too young to die. Whistle tunes to hide your fear. Anything, anything will do. Sing the songs your mother taught. How beautiful of you to fill the shining, vibrant air with bravery and song. Some things, like your singing, may they last as long as days of flying south and north have lasted. No, longer still. Old Father Time get lost, get blasted, wherever happy hope begins. Let it last until the God of birds in some sweet high up heaven, by the magic of the perfect number 7, ordains we sing each day, each week away. Longer still than that, makes singing safe and sound. I hear you, high above my head, and whistle back from down below. My whistling is a language you can never know. Fine feathered friends I watch this day. I watch you in your sky, in any kind of weather, hollow-boned and zooming through the feathered air. There is a special providence in the fall of the sparrow. It happens every day.
Number 46.